State parks and other agencies warning people about strong waves the next few days. King tides bring danger along the coast, and it could also bring flooding.
If you're near a river or anywhere near the coast, that can happen.
Harbor Patrol says during low tides is when people tend to go tide pooling.
So be careful, watch your footing. The rocks can be slippery. If you see wet rocks, be very careful.
Surfers also need to be extra cautious with the high tides.
At these peak high tides, you can also have powerful waves that come in. Surfers especially can run into trouble when you're entering the water and then you're trying to get out at high tide. You might have trouble. So a lot of our rescues do happen at high tide.
State Park staff wants the public to follow these rules if they're heading out to the coast.
We would ask that when the tide is high, you stay up off of those rock shelves, stay away from the water. If you're going to be surfing in the water, know your entry and exit points.
Visitors also recognizing the potential dangers from the king tides.
Don't turn your back to the ocean ever. You never know. We have seen sneaker waves, we have seen king tides, we have seen them all come in.
I would just caution people, don't be too engaging with the ocean.
As my dad always used to say, a very healthy respect for the ocean, because it's powerful and a king tide is a lot stronger than you are. So just people got to pay attention.
High tides will pick up tomorrow morning, and they are expected to be about 6 feet. Reporting in Santa Cruz, I'm Jacqueline Quinones, KSBW Action News 8.
Jacqueline, thank you.